Hello, good morning everybody. Well, consistent is what I'm trying to be. I'm going to make a video for you today, and the garden is just really evolving now, and I am enjoying discovering lots of different things. When Wilko was open, I bought a few bird boxes. Wilko's now done, it's finished. And I bought one of the bird boxes from the other house to here, and I just put it up on the shed wall just to give it a home. And you'll see in the video that we have a little family moved in. So I'm surprised actually, because it's by the door. I'm always going in and out of the shed door. So I'm surprised really that they've chosen to live there and to bring up their babies there. I'm just surprised, but got a family in there, so that's really nice. There's a little blackbird nesting in the hedge, and she's sat on about 2 or 3 blue eggs, so she's in there. I was cutting some branches back and clearing the leaves away, and I saw her. It's just lots of little things, you know, and I've been clearing up the back of the house, because the back of the house backs onto, my kitchen is underground, and it backs onto like a, I said cliff, but I've just been clearing away all the brambles and the leaves and things like that. So I've done some really good work in the garden. I'm feeling it a little bit though. It does take it out of you, it really does. So I thought I'd give myself a little bit of a break for a couple of days and concentrate on work and concentrate on other things. I am going out tomorrow, but I haven't done a great deal of travelling around. I've just really concentrated on the garden because I wanted to make it look nice for the summer. So that's what I've been doing. So I hope you're all okay. I'm still trussed up like a chicken and still lighting fires at night because it's just really not warm enough. It's not warm enough to wear anything remotely summery at all. I couldn't imagine wearing a dress or just a t-shirt at the moment because it's just not warm enough. And yeah, I'm struggling a little bit with like today. It's just cloudy. It's just not, there's no sunshine whatsoever. And I'm not surprised everybody's fed up. You know, these people that suffer from SAD, which is a thing. And I try to keep myself busy. You know, I try to look forward to when we actually are going to have some summer. So anyway, I hope you really enjoy the video. I am in the process of working on that project. It's going to take a little tiny bit of time because I kind of try to fit it in when I'm not doing other things. So, you know, when I'm not working, when I'm not doing the garden, when I'm not doing the kind of the mundane things of life. So I hope you really enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it, really I do. And I shall see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye for now. down from the top of the garden down to this beautiful little area here. I thought it looked quite nice. It needs a little bowl on the top to feed the birds. Some of my Sarah Raven bulbs came up. This is particularly beautiful. It smells so gorgeous. But some of my bulbs didn't come out. So I think some of the squirrels have taken them, or a mouse or something. But these were absolutely exquisite. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see her there. She's got an orange beak. I had to be very, very quiet. I didn't disturb her. I just very quietly crept up. I think you can see her in there. You can just about see her orange beak. There she is. There she is. She didn't seem bothered about me filming her. I was very quiet though. So on here, everybody, was a little aluminium, I can't even say the word, aluminium handle. And the reason I've taken it off is because I wanted to create a cottage door. So I went to a beautiful little shop in a tiny little village near me. They sell all kinds of ironmongery. So I chose a latch door. So this is a latch door, and what you do, press that down and open the door. So I'm really chuffed with it. It was quite complicated to fit it. Somebody fitted for me, and what they had to do, because the door's hollow, they had to create some space so that they could attach it to the door. So I'm going to show you what we did. So wood was put into position to be able to fit the latch. My coat's on the back of the door, so forgive me for that. And that's the back of the latch. So this opens the latch. Do you know, I love it. I think it looks so nice. I've just got to fill in these areas here and that hole down there. But that's amazing, isn't it? That we've been able to fit that latch. So I'm over the moon, everybody. So now when I close it, it's just a nice clunk. Instead of, it feels like there's a really nice solid door. So that's the next stage. So I need to fill in that hole, and I filled in all the little gaps. Just got to rub it back, and there might be a bit more filling to do. And then I can paint the panelling. I filled in all the ceiling. There's a little bit there that I had to sort out. That was a bit loose. So I've taken that off and filled in all around the ceiling. There's a few little funny areas, funny gaps. So I'm making progress, everybody. Along with working and doing the garden and the everyday life, this is all being fitted in. So it's nice just to start in a small area. I've kind of realised that it's best just to kind of start in this area, and I thought I'd start in this area and I'd work my way into the house. So that's the plan. But yeah, I feel I'm absolutely over the moon with that latch. I love it. That's what I always wanted. There we are. So everybody, this is what I've been working on here. This was absolutely full of brambles. This is just the back of the house. Yes, up there's a big slope. I've trimmed down this tree. So this has potential, this area here. Ideally, what I would love to do, that's the window to my office there. I'd love to make that into a door here, and perhaps have this area here as like a small decking area. Just here. This needs to be a bit sorted out. It's not a problem. There's no problem here. It seems to just drain away because this is the back of the house, and this is where the kitchen is. This is where the kitchen is, down below there, which is quite bizarre, really. But yeah, this was just absolutely full of brambles, and that's the pile that I've moved. Took me a while. I hate brambles. I absolutely hate them. They're vicious things, and because they've been left for a long time, they're thick and just lots and lots of really horrible thorns. So yeah, this is just an interesting area. I thought about making like a seat here, because it's quite a sunny little spot, really. You wouldn't think about it, really, because it's at the back of the house. But it's a seat here would be nice, and perhaps, as I said, make some decking here or something. And a path that would go through there. My garden goes through there, and a path going down into there. So I've made a bit of an access from the back of the house, because there's no back door. So it's going to be interesting to see what I can do with this space. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video.